You need a professional solution for cutting large holes in thick metal. You need Kimball Midwest's Rotocut Ultra. This heavy-duty version of our Rotocut line of tools can cut holes up to 4.5 inches wide in steel up to 1 inch thick. The 135-degree split point on the pilot drill bit cuts the alignment hole without the need for a center punch. Rotocut Ultra is also a great value, lasting up to 10 times longer than heavy-duty drill bits and 500 times longer than hole saws. But the key to its design is its cutting head. The ultra-hard carbide cutting teeth make quick work of whatever it's cutting, be it sheet metal, steel, stainless steel, iron, cast iron, aluminum, copper, alloys, plate, pipe, tubing, FRP, and plastics. The holes it cuts are smooth, burr-free, perfectly round, and when it's completed the hole, it automatically ejects the slug. You've just watched us make a 3/4 inch hole in a 1/2 inch thick piece of steel plate in 2 minutes, 8 seconds. When we tried this with a typical heavy-duty drill bit, in that same amount of time, all it could do was leave a tiny dimple in the metal. The math is simple. Rotocut Ultra lasts up to 10 times longer and cuts 5 to 10 times faster. Kimball Midwest's Rotocut Ultra, your best value.